go check out Boker. Guys, they got some gorgeous knives out here at the Boker booth. This is called the Integral 2 Wellness. Look at the handle on that. Look at that. Absolutely stunner. 440C, full flat grind. This one is called the Victake. Look at how thick that little stubber is. That feels like micarta. Scandi grind, stone wash on the top, satin finish on the grind. Holes all the way through so you can lash that to something. But that is a little chunker. Guys, this one's called the AK1. Absolutely stunning reverse tanto. Stone wash on the top, satin finish on the bottom, high grind on the shoulder, carbon fiber handles, full tang, lanyard loop on the back. Alright guys, taking it back to the old school medieval times. Take a look at that hilt. Double-sided, almost like a dirk dagger, dirk diggler. Here's a new flipper. 14C28N, gorgeous wooden handles. Liner lock. This is a flipper lever. Gorgeous blade. Look at the wood grain on this. Beautiful pivot. Alright guys, this is the biggest bread knife I've ever seen. And I don't even know if it is a bread knife, but look at that thing. Whew. Here is a European bushcrafting knife. MK3. Just a great example of a solid bushcrafting knife. Rivets going straight through. Nice full tang design. That's your classic bushcrafting Scandi grind knife right there. Here's a new fixed blade called a Kagat. Look at how thick that handle is. High carbon steel on that, and you got an edge here and on the top. Nice little curve here for your fingers. Massive jimping in there. But look at how that's going to fill up your hand. Here's another new folder. This is called the Micro Tracker 154 cm steel micarta scales. And that is a harpoon blade if I've ever seen one. It's got an edge all the way down to the bottom. Toro HX buoy knife. Again, beautiful grain on the wood handles and those inlays. And guys, that is a knife. Here's a quick look at some of their other really gorgeous knives at Boker. These look like they're slip joint knives. Gorgeous coloring. It's like a candy store in here. Green. Got this yellow coloring over here. Absolutely stunning colors. Man. Boker's got butterfly trainers. There's just way too many cool knives over here. I'm just gonna pick out some of my favorites. That's really cool. Look at this dagger. Double-sided. Check out that folding karambit. Look at the mug on that. That's a flipper. Liner lock, right? Oh yeah, it was this guy. That's a fun knife. Guys, check out these micro OTF knives. Bunch of different colors. Look at that. Action on that is unbelievable. And of course, you got your regular section of OTF knives. Bam. It's all there.
It slides back in there like that. It's automatic. Dude, I would.
OTF.
I would.
Have a look at this gentleman's knife. Guys, have a look at this gentleman's knife. Corkscrew in the back. That is just a classy looking blade. All right, Boker, it's been fun. Time to get the spider go.